जो है खुशबू तू कैसे भुलाएगा। तू चाहे कहीं जाए तू लौट के आएगा। नई नई राहों में दबे दबे आहों में खोए खोए दिल से तेरे कोई ये कहेगा। ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। मिट्टी की जो है खुशबू तू कैसे भुलाएगा। तू चाहे कहीं जाए तू लौट के आएगा। नई नई राहों में दबे दबे आहों में खोए खोए दिल से तेरे कोई ये कहेगा। ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये पल है वही जिसमें है छुपी पूरी एक सदी सारी जिंदगी। तू न पूछ रास्ते में काहे आए हैं इस तरह दो राहें। तू ही तो है राह जो सुझाए। तू ही तो है अब जो ये बताए जाए तो किस दिशा में जाए वही देश। ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी
Hey guys, that is Telemura railway station and this village is called Khamparpara. Oh, okay.
एरिया होता है खातिर नहीं कैसे तो उधर है
हाँ.
आपको बस टिकट करी क्या ओ रेल स्टेशन कैसे बरुक जगह में कर लिया के कम्प्लेन किया गया ये प्ले बिन प्ले सुविधा संख्या जगह में खाया
अमहाय दुख उमंगै प्रेसाराव उंगैसे आं बख्राव र हायखै उं पाइलांमनि दे हाया कदंमा
हय माइसे तुमका सासा हाबा काफे के तांजागिरि हायखि मा फंबाय हागा
ba ang masaya manong ya angka bika bima ang mukisin ang mukalaya.
Getting amazed looking at the Photoshop. Mommy, what the one Allah? We are trying to Photoshop my pic into this family photo. I was not present here, so we're just trying to make myself fit in this pic. Oh my goodness. I just became bigger. Pigisa ayuklo osnoda. Aksa si chikon mo haitaka. That's me. I'm there.
No, it's okay. I'll bring. Return time, I'll give. Close your mobile.
Why should I? That police lady, she's snatching my phone from me. That lady over there, mannerless. As you could see in the previous clip, that the lady cop tried to snatch my personal phone, and I'm pretty sure that that is not the way, and everybody has a right to, record whatever they're going to trying to do. And if they are legally doing it, then why do you even getting scared of anybody taking a video? Like, taking a video is not a crime. And she literally snatched my phone from my hands. Not only snatched, like, she was very violent. So comment below, is this a way to treat the public? And is this a way, just because you are a cop, do you have the right to snatch my personal phone? Does the police have the right? Nobody has the right to touch you, or even come and search your house without a warrant. And she literally snatched and started pulling my phone from my hands. I wish you could see how violent she was, and she thought she's the boss of the town or something. But obviously I'm not somebody who is going to fall for your trap. And I know my rights, so I directly answered and told that I have every right to take my video, and nobody has the right to snatch my phone from me. So that's when she left. And also be careful that people might try to scare you, and in the name of law they might try to traumatize you. But don't be scared, and know your rights, that you have the right to document your accident or whatever that is happening. So that's it. That's what I wanted to say. And thank you guys for always continuously supporting me. Gracias.